Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a search campaign. So we're going to expand to a search campaign that is based on keywords that have converted in our shopping campaign. So if you have a product that's selling consistently in your test bucket campaign, then I recommend go ahead and test out a search campaign to see if you can get the search campaign profitable. But the thing is with search campaigns, the CPCs, so the cost per clicks, are usually like triple to like quadruple the cost that they are in your shopping campaigns, right? So if we go and have a look at the CPCs here, you can see like they're around 50 cents. Usually if you go ahead and create a search campaign, the CPCs are like $1, $1.50, even like up to $2 in some competitive niches. So I'm gonna go to keywords and go to search terms, and I'm going to sort this by conversions. And usually like what you want to see is you want to see at least one conversion on the same search term. So that means that people are searching for that term consistently. But what you want to do now, let's say for example that this search term here, lice removal tools, right, had at least 2 conversions, and we wanted to set up a search campaign for lice removal tools. I'll show you what you do. So you want to copy lice removal tools, the search term. So I'm going to go Command C to copy. You want to go search campaigns here, and I want to go campaigns. I want to go create new campaign, search sales, and then website visits. So you want to type in your website here, go continue. So we'll call this search campaign, I just call it TB for Tristan Broaden, and then S for search, and then we'll call this product Y. So you just put your product name here. You want to untick display network, because we just want to run this on the search network. So for the countries, the difference between a search campaign and a shopping campaign is that in a shopping campaign, you can only run one country per campaign, whereas in a search campaign, you can run multiple countries within the campaign. So for this, we want to put in like the top GDP countries in the world, because sometimes you can get really cheap purchases in like random European countries, and sometimes, you know, like the US often has higher cost per purchase, right? So sometimes we can find more profitable countries, and the countries that we want to put in are these ones. I'll add this to the description of this video, but for now I'm just going to copy this, and we want to go location option. Sorry, we're going to go advanced search and go add locations in bulk, and then we will want to paste this in and go search, and then this will come up with all the locations. We want to go type it all and then go save. And here we want to go people in your targeted locations in the location options. All this is fine. So budget, we can just start off with like $10 a day, since we're not sure that this search campaign will convert. We want to go select a bid strategy directly. And then we want to go to start it off on manual CPC. We can potentially change to enhanced CPC after a few conversions. So I don't like starting it off with enhanced CPC. I'd rather turn this on once it has some conversions. We want to go save and continue. So here we want to go lice removal tool. We'll start off with the same bid we had for our shopping campaign. So we want to use the keyword that converted in our original shopping campaign, and we want to make a phrase match and exact match term. So lice removal tool in phrase match, and also exact match, we want the same thing, so lice removal tool. And I also like to do the plural as well, so copy and paste this again and add in the S, right? So we want to go save and continue. So here we want to go new ad. So final URL, you want to put in the product page for this, yourstore.com/products/whatever the product page is. You just go and copy and paste the product page. So for headline 1, you want to make it the same as the keywords that you're targeting. So lice removal tool. Then headline 2, what I usually put here is 50% off sale today only. And then headline 3, you can have like some scarcity here as well. It's a new feature, right? So I usually have like only 12 hours remaining. So display path, you can put something here like lice removal tool. This will just
display. It's just for like show. That's not actually the URL. So you can just put whatever like the product is in here. And then description run, you can just write a brief description of the product. So this lice removal tool will get rid of your head lice after the first comb. Say something like 23 5-star reviews. It needs to be 90 characters. So something else like get rid of your head lice within 24 hours, rated #1 by our customers. And then some scarcity here as well, maybe. So limited quantity remaining. Can't fit it in. You ideally want to make it as long, like you want to aim to get like 90 characters, but that's fine. Like 70 characters is fine. Sort of the more you can get closer to 90 characters, the better. So in description 2, we can put the scarcity here. So limited quantity remaining, and free shipping over 25. Just shop now. All right, so that's what the ad will look like. So looks pretty nice there. So we're going to go save and continue. And then this looks all fine. So we'll go continue. So when we go back to, so if we look at search campaigns now, right, we've got a search campaign here, lice removal tool. And if we go down and click on it to the keyword level, we can see that we can adjust bids on the keyword level as well. And it's coming up low search volume here. So it might be a bit tough to get impressions on this. But what we could potentially do is go to the AdWords keyword planner, and we can find more similar variations of these keywords. For example, if we went here, we went lice removal tool, we can potentially target some of these other keywords here, like head lice comb, best lice removal kit, and we could add them into our keyword list here, right? So that is how you create search campaigns.